Hey, do you know what monitoring and controlling in project management is all about?
Yes, it's about keeping a close eye on the project's progress and making adjustments as needed to ensure that everything goes according to plan.
That's right. And how do you go about monitoring and controlling a project?
Well, there are four basic steps you need to follow. First, establish what needs to be monitored. Then, determine how it will be measured. Next, set targets for what you want to achieve. Finally, establish a process for monitoring and controlling the project.
Interesting. And what are the objectives of monitoring and controlling?
There are three main objectives: to ensure that the project stays on track, to identify potential issues early on, and to make adjustments as needed to keep the project on schedule and within budget.
I see. And what are the principles of monitoring and control?
There are a few key principles: be proactive, communicate effectively, analyze data regularly, and make decisions based on the data.
Great tips. And what are some monitoring and control techniques that can be used?
There are many techniques, such as earned value management, performance reporting, and change control. Each technique has its own benefits and drawbacks, so it's important to choose the right one for your project.
Wow, that's a lot to take in. And why is monitoring and control so important in project management?
Well, without monitoring and control, it's easy for a project to get off track, which can lead to delays, cost overruns, and even project failure. By monitoring and controlling the project, you can catch issues early on and make adjustments to keep everything on track.
Thanks for the valuable insights. I feel much more confident about monitoring and controlling my next project.
Glad to help. Let's keep on top of our monitoring and control game.